This is your Irontrader, and this is the last call here of the day. So we're going to take a look here at crude oil and natural gas, and then today we're going to take a look here at Bitcoin, BTC. At the end of the video, the support and resistance levels are posted. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell, stock, commodity, ETF. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have Bitcoin, BTC. Now, I know a lot of people like to trade this, and one of these days I'll probably trade it myself, but I'm so jammed up here with the oil and the natural gas and all that tech. Man, NVIDIA's running today, Meta's running, Microsoft is running, Apple. My favorite is TQQ, a nice basket of the whole Shamir. So don't have the time for the Bitcoin, but maybe somebody else here does. Okay, look in here. Let's just big this up a little bit. Okay. Now, you can see here where we held this 200-day here. You can see here, yeah, even though you're coming down, you really have a nice good pattern going on here. Now, here Friday, what we had that big green candle. You came down and went down to that 200-day, but then you went above the 8-day, 21-day, and you closed above that Hondo there, okay? And we made a nice high. Now, today we came down and we held the top portion of that candle, and you held that 100-day, and I guess all these simple moving average, and now we got a big engulfing green candle looking very, very nice. Now, here's the key. Okay, it's very, very simple. Okay, upside right here. Look at that price channel. You're looking at 67,135. That's right there. That's going to be your target. Now, again, if you can bust out above that, then we're going to come right over here to the top of this candle here. You're looking at 67,360. We're going to look here. You're looking at 68,135. And then what we'll do is we'll come over here to the top of this candle here first. Is 68,655, and then we'll come up here 69,025, and then we're going to have your big retest up here at 78.25. Now again, we can bust out of that, then we can come up here to the top of this candle here. You're looking at 72,660, and then what you do is we break out above that bad boy. Then what we have is you got your 74,415. That's going to be key, and that's going to be the breakout. Now we close above this number, and you got that 100,000 in sight. Okay, so just remember that. But okay, we're not there yet. So what you have to do is got to close above this price channel. So, price channel. So the key is as this runs up, what is it going to do when it gets to the price channel? Just like when if you watched my video this morning on NVIDIA, okay? NVIDIA, the breakout is 140.76. It got as high as 139.60. See, what does it do when it gets up there? Now, does it just reject this and come on down? Or does it go bust out through this, and then we know exactly where we're going until we get to your big retest up here, okay? So that's what you're looking at. Now, on the downside, well, we just follow the candles all the way down again. So what we have here is you're looking at 64,770, okay? Then we'll look to Friday's high. You're looking at 63,675, and then we just start getting into these simple moving averages, 62,736, and then we have 62,485. That's your 21-day and your 8-day, and then we have 60,422. Big numbers. Okay, all the way on down. But right now, this is a very, very bullish chart here. But you can see here how it just kind of, up and down, old roller coaster going on here. However, one thing I did want to show you, see how it just had this big run up. And then we have this sideways action. This is almost like a big bull flag for months, okay? But what happens when you do this, okay? It builds energy. Now, I like this. See how this? We put a low, we put in a higher low, and then we put in a higher low. See how nice that is? Okay? Now, the key is going to be right there, that 67,135. You got to break out through that. Once you can, then we have your big target right there, that 7,825. Then we have your other big target going on right here. You got that 760,655. Then we can come over to the top of this candle here. You're looking at 73,380, and then we have your 74,415 here. But as this goes, it builds energy, and when she moves, then she moves quick. Obviously, you can see how it is here. See, once we had this breakout, what happened? Once you broke that up, boom, yeah, you went a sideways action, but then it just exploded. You got to figure it exploded all the way here from 52,335 all the way to 74,000, okay? So that's how she can explode up here. So key is just watch that 67,135. If it breaks above that, we follow the candles here all the way on up here till we get to retest. You close above this 74, and you're going to have that 100 grand right in sight very, very easy. Now, you look at your RSI here, plenty of room to run. Your green is now just crossing over your red. Very, very bullish here on this chart. The key is just going to be that price channel, okay? Downside here, just watch all these really key levels here. This is going to be key. You want to go to that candle, then we go to this candle, but realistically, just watch this 100-day. That's going to be very, very crucial. That's 62,736, and then we have 62,484. Just watch this because now your price is above all your key simple moving average. This just looks like it's going to break higher. You break that, and I think she explodes to the upside. Okay, let's take a look here at crude oil, natural gas. Okay, crude oil, natural gas here. Absolute nothing burger. Okay, so this is what I have. And I've showed you this many times. Double top situation into 100-day, double top into 100-day, double top into the 200-day, double top into the 200-day, and now we have another double top into that 100-day. Now what we have is we have a red candle here we had on Friday, could not close above, and now we have a lower low and a lower high. That is very, very bearish. Now, OPEC came out and they lowered their demand for 2025 already. So I don't know. They have that OPEC meeting here on the December 1st. If they add any kind of crude oil to this market here, this is going to collapse. You're going to be right down in the 50 area real quick, I should say. Okay, let's take a look here. Let's look at the downside here first. So you want to look, obviously, is today's low, 73.41, which basically 73.26. That was your support level, okay? Next level here we're going to be going to is 72.71. That's your 50-day. Very, very key number. And then there's 71.87, okay? Your 50-day and your 20, these are critical that it needs to close above. If not, then we're going to hit this candle right here at the bottom, 71.53, and then we can just start nailing these right on down. 70.52, we have 69.87, you have 69.32. We'll come here, you got 68.65, and then we just roll on the bottom, 67.57. 67.06, and then we have 66.95. Your big retest down here is 66.33, and then we have your recent low at 65.27. Okay, you bust this, you're going to go to that 63, 60, and possible 57 very, very quickly. Upside here, well, bottom line is this. Okay, you got to get and close back above this 74.72. Okay, that's it. Then we can look at today's high. You're looking at 75.08, and then we have 74.94, your 100-day, 77.32, 78.46. Everything is boom, 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 boom right there, okay? Now, watch those futures here at 6 p.m., okay? So this is what you're trading against, is today's candle, okay? So 75.08 on the top, 73.41 there on the old bottom, okay? You got to close back above the 8-day, then you can go 100, 200-day retest. If you can't, then we're going to look for this 50-day. You close below that, then we're going to be looking for the 21-day. You close below that, it's going to be man out the window time because we're going to be retracting all the way down here to the 66.33 very, very quickly. Okay, RSI looks like she wants to roll over. This MACD looks like it wants to roll over. This is just not good. The trade for me today was on the short side, the SEO. I'm still long on the short side, I should say. I'm long short. I don't know if that makes any sense, but I'm long on the short ski, okay? So that's why I'm playing it. I'm going to see what this future's open there at 6 o'clock. Now, natty gas, well, how can I put this? I don't want to offend anybody, but I think she's going down like a $2 hole, okay? All the way down here. Look at this. Poof. This was the tell right here, okay? So KOLD, I'm still long KOLD, okay? I'm in at 70 flat, okay? So it's sitting at 71.85. I am still long this here. I just, I don't see where this is any kind of a bullish scenario at all. Okay, so look at the downside. You're looking at 2.48. Next level here, you're really looking at is going to be the top of this candle. You're looking at 2.46, and then we have this 2.429, basically 2.43 level. That's lost. You can come to the 50-day at 2.36. Okay, very, very simple. Lost that. You go right there at the 200-day. Okay, so you got 100-day. If that doesn't hold, you go boom, boom, and then even down to that price channel at 2.22. Okay, upside, very, very easy. Look to the bottom of this candle. You're looking at 2.53. Look at the bottom there, 2.56. We'll come here, 2.58. We look at the top of this today's candle, 2.62, and then we start running into your key resistance levels at 2.65, and then right above it is going to be 2.71. Now, when those futures open here tonight, this is not going to be 271. This will be way towards this 21 day. This will be rolling all the way on down. This is looking ugly. But again, we got to wait and see. I'm short. But again, that doesn't mean that there isn't going to be a trade long set up here. We have to look for something that's going to be like this, like a red dog, where it comes all the way down, shakes everybody out, and then she blasts right on up here. Or we have a situation like this, where you have a double bottom kind of a situation. That's what you're looking for. Anything that'll give you some kind of an edge that says, okay, the selling is done. Right now, the selling is not done. RSI, plenty of room to go on it down. This just crossed over, very, very bearish. This just looks lower to me. So right now, I'm short, staying short until it tells me different, okay? Same way with the old Krudski. I can get in and out of trade in 10, 15 seconds, okay? So right here, this tells me when you see this double top situation and then you see that lower low, this tells me this wants to go lower. So we just watch the futures, okay? When they open at 6, watch the high and low of that candle. And then, okay, if it goes up, we got to watch that 8-day. If it goes down, we got to watch that 50-day. Same thing here. You're trading now between the 100-day and the 21-day. We got to see if this is going to hold. If not, we just pop all the way on down. If she can rally up here, we just follow all the candles way back up here. But this is the key, this 2.65, and then right above it is 2.70. That's your key. That's where you want to go. Right now, the trade for me is short. To trade for me here is short. Okay, that's what I got for you. Now, I'll be back here tomorrow morning, 7 o'clock, and we'll do it all over again. Trade what's in front of you, not what you want.